In this video, we're going over how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 if it freezes. Hey everyone, we're going to keep this short and sweet today. We're going to show you what to do if your Galaxy Z Fold 2 freezes. All you're going to need to do is hold down on the power and volume down button for about 20 seconds. Now you can do it with the device open or closed. We're going to do it with it open this time. So just simply hold that volume down and power. Now when you hold it, it's going to trigger this screen right here where it's going to ask you if you want to power it off. Just keep holding the buttons until the screen goes dark, then you can let it go. And now the device is turned off. And to turn it back on, just simply hold down the power button. There we go. And now it is restarting and you should be hopefully good to go. Again, this does work if it is closed. So if you have it in this position right here, it will still work exactly the same by holding that volume down and power button for about 20 seconds or until the device turns off. Hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.